Hello students, this is lecture 4 of chapter 2 of class 8. In previous lecture, I told you about some advantages of the DBMS. Now in this lecture also I am going to explain you about some advantages of DBMS that we did not learn in the previous one. Now next topic is our third advantage is there, sharing of data. Sharing of data means data can be shared among various users, such as if the computers are connected with each other, then if same data or the data can be shared among these computers or with the users. There are various levels of authorization to access data, means if any user wants to access the data stored in all these systems, then the user needs to proper authorization, and consequently data can only be shared based on the correct authorization. If the user is authorized, then user will be able to access the data, otherwise not. The next advantage is their data integrity. Data integrity means the data that we are entering in the database must be corrected. Data integrity means that the data is correct and consistent in database. Means the data should be corrected and consistent in the data or should be matched in the database. Data integrity is very important as there are multiple databases in the DBMS. All of these databases contain data that is visible to multiple users. So only correct data should be entered and stored in the database. The last advantage of the DBMS is data security. So as you know about the security, means it ensures that authorized users can access the database. If they are not authorized, it means they are not having the permission to access the data in the databases. So only authorized users can access the database, and their identity is authenticated using a username and a password. It means proper username and password is provided to each user. If they enter the correct username and password, then they will be able to use the data, otherwise they will not. Unauthorized users cannot access the database. So now this was the last advantages of the DBMS. So we learned about the advantages of DBMS, in which the first one was reducing the redundancy. Data redundancy means you know that duplication of data, redundancy. Second advantage was data consistency, means data should be matched if same data is kept at different places. Data consistency. The third advantage was sharing of data, means same data can be shared among various users by using the network. Sharing of data. And next one is data integrity, means data must be correct. Data must be correct. And next one is data security, means only authorized users are allowed to use the database.